With the rapid development of the economy, the natural environment is deteriorating, and in the face of increasing environmental pressure, people began to seriously consider the relationship between people and the environment, and began to explore the construction of ecological civilization. Haiqi Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited, with a mission of continuous improvement for the living environment of human beings, has been constantly pursuing innovation and pioneering efforts. It has now developed into a high-tech comprehensive enterprise, integrating solid waste treatment and resource utilization, sludge treatment and reuse, biomass energy utilization, and so on as the core technology research and development, equipment manufacturing and project investment, construction and operation. At present, the company has successfully passed ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System certification. The company has 20,000 square meters of environmental protection equipment production base in Shangqu City, Henan Province, with an annual output of 5,000 sets of solid waste treatment and biomass utilization equipment. Technology creates brilliance. Innovation leads the future. Haiqi Environmental Protection pays attention to the core team construction, introduced a large number of management and research and development teams who worked in China's well-known environmental protection companies for many years. Here burst out the continuous improvement of independent innovation, research and development capacity, condensed into the invisible and transcending technological productivity, achieve remarkable results in solid waste treatment and resource utilization, biomass energy utilization, and etc. In terms of solid waste treatment and resource utilization, the core technologies independently developed by the company, such as pyrolysis gasification power generation, low-temperature pyrolysis, and so on, can meet the requirements of distributed waste treatment and high-emission standards in rural areas, towns, and cities, transforming domestic industrial waste into high-quality electric energy and thermal energy. Finally, realize the harmlessness, reduction, and resource utilization of waste. At present, the company has formed a multi-series furnace with a single furnace treatment capacity of 5 to 150 tons per day, and has been successfully applied in more than 20 cities at home and abroad. In terms of sludge treatment, the mild pyrolysis gasification technology is adopted, and the sludge is finally made into a usable industrial building material by utilizing technical means such as industrial exhaust heat and waste heat. In terms of biomass energy utilization, the company's self-developed biomass gasification power generation, semi-gasification, and a low-nitrogen combustion system has obvious advantages in replacing traditional energy sources such as coal, oil, and natural gas, and nitrogen oxides emission, and has been widely used in production industries such as boiler, drying, metal smelting, baking paint, incineration and forging, and etc. At the same time, Haiqi Environmental Protection Company Limited and China University of Petroleum, North China University of Water Resources, and Hydropower University established a production, teaching, and research cooperation base, and established a pyrolysis and gasification research and development center in Shanghai, committed to the development of leading technologies for solid waste, providing the best solution for the management of urban and industrial waste. By 2018, Haiqi Environmental Protection has applied for nearly 40 patents in the field of environmental protection, such as solid waste treatment and resource utilization, biomass energy utilization, and obtained 20 patents. The products have passed CE, SGS, and BV certification. Successfully completed the garbage pyrolysis gasification CHP power project in Klang, Malaysia. The domestic garbage pyrolysis gasification power generation project in Haiqi, Thailand. The automobile dismantling waste pyrolysis gasification aluminum melting project in Zhangjiagang, Jiangsu. The domestic sewage sludge treatment projects in Baodi District, Tianjin. The municipal sludge treatment project in Chongming, Shanghai. The biomass gasification power generation project in Congo. The biomass gasification and drying project in Port Clemens, Canada. Store carbon gas fertilizer and electricity cogeneration project in Sanli, Henan, and other large and medium-sized projects. Products have been exported to dozens of countries around the world. In the future, Haiqi Environmental Protection will continue to expand its industrial chain, integrate its advantageous resources, and leverage its advantages in group management. It will be based on Haiqi Environmental Shanghai Research and Development Center, UK Research and Development Center, Russian Research and Development Center, and Australian Research and Development Center. The National Energy Conservation and Emission Reduction Strategy is our responsibility. Haiqi Environmental Protection is committed to innovation and sustainable excellence, and continues to make new and greater contributions to the national energy and environmental protection cause, creating a better future.